Hi, math friends. Welcome back to the Math Rain Zone. The rainbow looks beautiful today. Do you know the rainbows are all about color and order? And today we're going to be learning a cool trick that makes maths look like magic. Are you ready? Our trick today is called doubling. Can you say that? Doubling. It's when we take a number and add the exact same number to it. It's like looking in a mirror. Imagine this is our magic doubling mirror. Watch what happens. If I put one basketball in front of the mirror, another one appears inside. Now we have 1 plus 1, and that makes 2. Let's try a bigger one. Let's put 2 diamonds in front of our mirror. 1, 2. Look, 2 more appeared. Now we have a double. 2 plus 2. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. You're a natural at this. Let's try a new fact. 3 plus 3. I have 3 bright yellow blocks on the left. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3. And I need the double, so I need 3 more yellow blocks on the right. 1, 2, 3. Now let's put them all together into our pot of gold to find the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Fantastic doubling! Okay, this is the super hard one. Are you ready? I have 4 toy cars. Vroom, vroom. If we double them, it's 8. 8 fast cars. Here are 2 doubles you see every day. 5 plus 5. How many fingers do you have on one hand? 5. How many fingers do you have on both hands? 5 plus 5 is 10. That's an easy double to remember. And look at our rainbow number line. If we jump 10 steps and then jump 10 more steps, where do we land? 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 and 10 is 20. Doubling is so much fun. You can double your toys, your snacks, and even your hugs. Great job today, math friends. You are now expert doublers. Remember, a double is always a number added to itself. For your math challenge today, solve this double. 7 plus 7. Write your answer in the comments below. Join me next time in the Rainbow Math Zone. Bye for now.